Hello and welcome. This is Joe. Just a quick tip that we found. So we have in our fifth wheel, there's the 3 steps up to get up to the bedroom. So when you first walk in, you've got this little landing area. We put a little rug here to kind of make the entryway feel more of an entryway, so it doesn't just feel like you're walking right into the kitchen. And so with that, we got the entry rug, so you can wipe your feet, and then they've got the storage underneath the bottom step where you can store your shoes, so a little shoe storage. We got some small bins from the local store, so we can put our shoes in there, just to make it easier, because then you can just go up, grab your bin, slide it out, get your shoes on, and then slide the bin back in, and it is deep enough for them to go in. We do also have a motion light that came with the camper, but in our family there's 4 of us, so well, technically there's 5, but 4 of us that walk and use shoes. Our youngest isn't old enough yet for shoes, but obviously that's not going to be enough for 4 people. So my wife and I put our shoes underneath the step, and then what my wife came up with is on the side of the cabinet when you come in. This is just a cabinet side, there's nothing on here. So we came up with, or she came up with, getting these baskets, and then we just mounted these baskets here, so then each of our sons can put their shoes in there, so then they got shoe storage as well. And these are just some hanging baskets we found at the local hardware store. If you look, the brackets don't both quite line up on the cabinet, because this does inset here, so I ended up using a wire holder and connecting on one end, and then use the built-in bracket on the other end to keep them solid, and they're not going anywhere. So yeah, so that's what we came up with. Seems to work really well. So just a thought for you guys out there that are looking for some more shoe storage, and besides just getting a giant shoe rack or getting some sort of shoe storage, trying to use just the space that's already here without completely taking over the space, or just having shoes thrown all over the place, depending on if you're doing this weekend or for the summer, or if you're full-time, trying to keep the outside from coming in too much so you don't have to vacuum or sweep all day every day. This is what we feel is an easy way to prevent that, so you can keep the dirt and the outside, or at least contained right here at the door. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll catch you next time.